Hey Dio, what's up? Feel like your skin is looking a bit saggy or wrinkled but don't want to look into surgical options? Doing facial exercises or facial yoga helps strengthen the muscles in your face, which can leave your skin looking younger and fresher. In this video, we'll walk you through some exercises for your mouth, forehead, neck, and jowl area. By carrying out regular facial exercises, you can work these muscles to improve blood circulation to the different areas of the face. This will result in a bright complexion and beautiful healthy glow as well as alleviating skin tightening and sagging. So let's get started. Number 1. Cheekbone exercise. It's basically a facial massage to tighten mouth skin. Massage your face with fingers folded like this to help frame and lift this area. Continue for 3 to 4 minutes. Massaging hair helps tighten the skin, leaving the area brighter and more youthful looking. Number 2. Neck exercise. Tilt your head back slightly so your eyes are pointed toward the ceiling with your mouth closed. Lift your tongue up to the roof of your mouth, then slowly lower it back down. Do it for 20 seconds. This exercise engages the area just beneath your jaw. Tilt your head side to side, stretch and strengthen the side of your neck with this exercise. Start with your head facing forward, then slowly turn your head to one side, feeling the stretch in your neck. Hold the position for 20 seconds. Now, turn to the other side. Hold the position for further 20 seconds. This exercise helps tighten up skin underneath your neck to prevent sagging, jowls, and double chin. Number 3. Pufferfish press. Close your mouth and puff up your cheeks. Move the air from the one cheek to other. Repeat for 20 seconds. This facial exercise will help reduce the very unfunny appearance of laugh lines around your mouth. Number 4. Ooh-ee exercise. Target your lips with an ooh-ee mouth. Open your mouth. Say ooh using an exaggerated movement to purse your lips together. Change sounds to the E, again using an exaggerated motion to stretch your lips into proper shape. Do it for 20 seconds. This exercise engages the area just beneath your nose and lips. Number 5. Forehead exercise. Do brow lifts to strengthen your forehead. Using 2 fingers in a peace sign and place your fingernails over eyebrow. Gently push that skin with your fingers and push your brows in upward motion. Now, by using one finger like this, do frontal stretching to lift your forehead and brows. Do these exercises for 1 to 2 minutes. This will help to build the muscles around your eyelids to give you more awake looking eyes. Number 6. CHIPMINK cheek squeeze exercise. Suck your cheeks in as much as possible. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. Because it uses so many different muscles, this exercise can help to stretch out your entire face, making it look slimmer. Number 7. Eye exercise. Place your index fingers at the outer corners of your eyes, just above your cheekbones. Gently pull your skin in outward motion, creating a diagonal line from the outer corner of your eye towards your temples. By targeting specific muscles in your face and eyes, you can lift and tone your skin, creating an upward slant at the outer corners of your eyes. These face yoga exercises are a natural and non-invasive way to achieve the frog-sized looking without surgery. Number 8. Nose exercises. Open your mouth and place your index finger on each side of your nose. Then deep massage on corners of your nose in circular motion, pulling it upward. After that, slide down. This will result in slimmer, small, straight, and beautiful nose. Number 9. Lip exercise. Massage or press your circular muscles around your lips to keep lips full and vibrant. It will result in plump, bigger, and fuller lips naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.
Angel boy.